Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to talk about the best cloud storage providers right now in 2026 that you can check out for yourself, kind of like important things to be aware of. So the first one, a very popular one, is a Google one, so would like the Google Drive. Now as you can see, what is great, for 3 months you can have like $0.49 per month, so that's like very good. And you can see right here you get like free storage about like 15 gigabytes, but then you can have like the pricing here for like $2 a month on monthly basis for 100 gigabytes, and you can have it up to, like you can see right here, like 2 terabytes of total storage. And you can even see all plans here that you can go even further, right? So this is like very good, something to check out. And also great security, great privacy and speed. So the Google Drive is the most popular one, right? Now, for example, the Microsoft OneDrive, this is like another one too, where you can have like the free storage up to 5 gigabytes, so that's also very good. Now you can see right here 5 gigabyte cloud storage, and then you're gonna have like $2 for the Microsoft 365 basic for the personal, so that's like very good. And you can have like 100 gigabyte cloud storage, and when the price is like okay-ish, so this is something that I personally really like too. And you're gonna have like great speed and also encryption in transit and rest, so personal vault features for sensitive files. So another one, also Apple iCloud, this is like another one really good one. So you can have like iCloud Plus with 50 gigabyte storage, 200 gigabyte, or like 2 terabyte, 6 terabyte, or even 12 terabyte storage. So how it works and what is the like process here is that you can have free storage about 5 gigabytes, and then you're gonna have like 0.99 a month for 50 gigabytes. So that's like very good. Now you can have advanced data protection available, and also strong encryption, no major breaches since 2014 photo leak, and that's like also very good. Also fast on Apple devices. Now Dropbox, this is like another one, a popular one. To be honest, I like way more like the Google or Microsoft comparing to Dropbox, because here you can have like $12 for like $20 for 3 terabytes of storage. Maybe you like it, or like the pricing is a little bit higher. So it holds encryption keys, can access your data, and it had like major 2020 breach, and it's fast and reliable. So this is also another alternative that you can actually like check out. And then you can have Mega IO pricing. So this is like another one for you to check out. So here, right here, you're gonna have free storage up to 20 gigabytes. So definitely check it out. And then you're gonna have like for Pro Lite, you can have for €5 750 gigabyte of storage, which is like insane. So privacy is zero knowledge encryption, Mega can access the files, and it's good performance. So if you need like a lot of storage, you want to definitely check the Mega IO. And another one which is called like sync.com, and this is like the cloud storage built for privacy. And when we can look here for the pricing, so we're gonna have like the monthly basis for $16 per month, 1 terabyte secure storage, 1 terabyte basic sharing, and 60-day file recovery. Now, what is really good is that you got zero knowledge encryption by default, no known breaches, spotless record, and the speed is insane. So the speed is very good for sync.com. And of course, another one, a popular one, Proton, where you can have like Proton Unlimited, where you can have like 500 gigabyte total storage, 15 email addresses, and many other things here. And we're gonna have like, look at that Proton Drive here. That's something that you can actually like see here, and you're gonna have like a lot of storage here, but you can like other products too. And when you're gonna look here for drive plans, you can see right here you can have Proton Free, which is 5 gigabytes, and then you're gonna have the Drive Plus, like 200 gigabytes if you like to get the Drive Plus, and you can have €499 a month. So this is like also interesting one for you to check out. And primarily if you want to also use it in combination with other plans of Proton, that would be great. And then you can have also the iDrive, which is also interesting. So you're gonna have 10 gigabyte storage completely for free. And you see, like if you would combine the free accounts, you can get like good, I don't know, like 50, 70, 80 gigabytes completely for free, which is good. And then you can have like iDrive Personal, like $10 a month, and the like more you go, like more terabytes you need, it costs more. So this is like another one. This is like also good, end-to-end encryption available, best for most affordable, kind of like the option, especially like the first year. If you like to get it, save up to 50%, which can be like very good. And you see right, like $3 per 100 gigabytes here. So this is like another one for you to check out. I hope this video provided a little bit of value. What are the ones that you can actually like use? So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.